You know, a lot of people don't actually know how to take their pistol apart. I find that to be very sad. It's that easy. To take all the other components out, it's pretty much just as simple as taking the slide off. I'm not going to take these things out because they're a pain in the fucking ass to get in. Just saying. Flashlight, I loosened it already. Take it right off. Actually, this flashlight's fully charged. And I am not going to take all these components and all the screws out because that is it's not a pain in the ass, it's just time consuming and takes fucking forever. Only now it takes fucking forever because I fully have it put together with the grip on and all that. And I don't really feel like taking each pin out and putting everything back in, but I know how. Before I had it fully assembled, I would take it apart and put it back together about 5-6 times every day just to make sure that up here I knew how to do it. It's one of the benefits of building your own. Putting it back together is pretty much just as simple. Start with this. Actually, no, you don't. I lied. You start with this, which is the barrel. You put in just like that. You get the guide rod and the spring. And you put it in just like that. Sometimes it'll want to go to the side. You just gotta guide it in there till it's perfectly in place like that. Don't have enough lighting in here because my light's off. Then you just slide the barrel on as the light on my camera blinds my eyes. Boom. Just like that.